Present you the face of Caroline, Julianne San Jose.
Hello! Hi everyone! Kamusta po tayong lahat? Okay po ba tayo? Ayun, so first of all, I would like to thank you guys for coming dito sa press launch, and I'm really happy na kabilang po ako sa Caroline family. So I would like to thank you for having me as your endorser. And of course, I would like to thank you guys sa support na po ninyo. And I'm really excited na kapanood po yung TVC. So I hope na mag-enjoy po tayo lahat ngayong hapon.
Tables open for your QA. But let me ask first, or let me add a little something about Julianne. I think not everybody is aware that Julianne started out in Itbulaga when she was 3 years old, right? And she joined Little Miss Philippines. Marami ang nanggaling sa Itbulaga, Little Miss Philippines, na sikat na ngayon. And one of them, of course, is Julianne. Parang hindi pa siya...
So, there's no shortcut. So, we like you to emulate not only being beautiful, but you have to work your way.
Hi, Julianne. Congratulations!
Tapos, so ito pinaplano na yung Araneta Coliseum. Oh.
Hi, Chevy. Hello. Yeah. I'm with Chevy. Hi. Yeah. Ngayon nila sa ulit nagkita and tapos na yung event. Hi, Demi. Sabihin mo, welcome to the Project Awesome.
What?
Welcome to the
Project Awesome. Awesome?
Yes. Thank you for inviting us. Bye-bye. Bye. Shabu shabu. Where are we? Anong pangalan ng place na to?
Rain something something.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're here at Coffee Bean and Tea here at Resorts World. So, hi! Hi! Look, we're splitting the mini cupcakes from Kukais. As if hindi kami tataba sa pag-split namin ng ganyan. Split sis! So, yun. Mega cheat day today.
Super mega deep cheat.
Mega ano?
Super mega duper.
I left my, iniwan ko talaga yung camera sa...
against the light.
Iniwan ko yung camera sa car. Kasi, bawal siya sa loob. So, yeah. Dito ako ulit sa phone ko. So, what flavor is this? I don't know what flavor is this. Basta para siya may chocolate something.
Oreo?
Whatever. This one, choco butter cream, carrot, obviously, and then red velvet. So, Queen Bee, are you ready?
Yeah.
Kinain na naman yung first two flavors. Parang peanut butter, tsaka dulce. Oh, this one. Yan. So, ito yung unang kinain namin. Tong dalawang to. I don't like this one, but Queen Bee likes that.
This one.
That's peanut butter, ito dulce. Okay, this one.
Then we're splitting it into
with a wooden spoon.
That came from our gelato.
Yeah.
So, super duper cheat day.
Para sa paborito kong kapatid. Si Levi.
Bing-bing po.
Oy, mas malaki yung kabilang piece. Ay. Saying, fucking dare you. The last one. So we can taste it na.
Ooh, I like the frosting of the carrot cake.
Really? Okay. It's now time to taste. Okay. Get the other half and then I'll get the other. Wait for it. Okay. Bottoms up. Cheers! Wait! Kadiri! Kadiri! Cheers! Cupcake cheers! Ay, kinuha pa ibang frosting ko.
Grabe naman. Sumbat naman.
Kamakadikit eh. Kinuha pa yung fruit. Okay. Bottoms up. I think this is coffee.
I like it.
Yeah. I like it better than the peanut butter.
Ah, yeah, coffee. Kasi siguro yung gusto yung sa ibaba
Oh.
coffee bean yun.
Ayun yung coffee chocolate. Are you ready for the next cupcake?
Let's do this.
I just said cupcake. Cupcake.
Let's do this.
Okay. What is the next flavor? What's it gonna be?
Carrot or...
Chocolate buttercream, carrot, or red velvet? Me, miny, mo. Okay, splitsies.
Meeny, miny, mony.
Okay. Okay, cheers. Cupcake cheers. Wait. Ay, kinuha.
Oh, hindi.
Okay. Game 1. It's good. Chocolate buttercream.
I don't like the frosting that
I think it's too sweet.
No, it's like it's too... I don't know.
Yeah. Oh my god, I need water.
Frosting.
I need water. I need
The
water.
cake's fine.
Do you need water? Do you need water? Because I need water.
The cake's fine.
The frosting is just too much. Okay, dalawa na lang. I can't breathe anymore.
Busog na ako.
Okay, we're down to last 2 flavors and nasusuka na kami. Pero let's do this. Okay. Meeny, miny, mony. Red velvet. Red velvet. Where's mine? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready?
I got the cheese. You've tasted this before, diba?
During the
Props makeup workshop.
props makeup.
But that was last 2012 pa, November 2012, if I'm not mistaken. Is that November? Yeah. Tastes the same. Ano? I think mas masarap
Sakto
nung
lang.
una. Nung una ko siya natikman, parang sakto lang.
Well,
Kaumay nga.
pero hindi. Masarap siya. Not too sweet, not too sour.
Yeah, masarap nga. Masarap siya, pero mas masarap yung una ko natikman. So I'm gonna drink water again. And then, todo na natin to sa last flavor. Okay. Last, para matapos ang paghirap natin.
This is my favorite.
Ay, wala akong carrot.
Oh, did you get the one with the carrot?
I want the one
I'll
with
get the pineapple.
Okay. Tis my dare you. No? Okay, cupcake cheers.
Carrots have to be moist. Cupcake cheers!
Okay. This one I like.
I really love carrot cakes and carrot bags, banana cake.
Yeah, I like carrot cake too.
Carrot cakes are one of my favorites.
I remember when I was younger, I wasn't really fond of eating carrot, pero I like carrot cake. The first time that I tried carrot cake, carrot bread, parang skeptic ako kasi nga ayoko ng carrot, pero natikman ko siya, uy, sarap wala. And then I started eating real carrots too. So So, that's it for our mini cupcake challenge. Gusto ko pa. Joke. Nakasuka. Water. So, by the way, that is Cookies mini cupcakes. Ang sarap siya. Yeah.
Hi, they have something in my
Just, no. Konti lang, di ba? Maybe a little something here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it's cute. Okay.